water.
Thank you. Nice job.
Oh
Woo!
my god.
Talk about some momentum there. Just straight climbing. Just straight climbing. I'm not kidding when I say I thought that was going to be the end of today's video. It's one thing to do this, like it's like fine to do it in the 4Runner, but then to have a boat that weighs thousands of pounds and then pull it up. Good thing is we made it. All right, time to take her on 4 low. This has been the most insane journey to a lake that I've ever experienced, and I would be shocked if other people come back here on a frequent basis. Never have I ever had to put my car into 4 low to get to a ramp, but here we are. We've made it. Welcome back. We are in Texas. We are joining forces with Weston. You guys have seen in a lot of the videos, and we are going to try to catch some early morning fish. It's hot in Texas. It's dank, it's just sweaty. You got a lot of swamp bass this time of year, so we're gonna do solely a morning mission. We're also going to use some baits out of this month's MTB Pro Box. This video is sponsored by Mystery Tackle Box, and figured it'd be fitting to use lures in the Pro Box that we got today. So without further ado, let's get the low in the water and get to cranking on some jimmies.
What's up, Weenie? You wanna go fishing?
Oh, you're pumped.
Yeah.
You're as pumped as I am. I like it. What do we have in this box? I need something that's gonna help us catch fish today. I'm hoping that there's a topwater in here. Praise the Lord, topwater. First thing I see, oh, we've actually got 2 topwaters. All right, sick. I'll make this brief and juicy, straight to the point. But if you guys want to sign up for Mystery Tackle Box, it is basically a subscription box that arrives at your doorstep every single month that is full of lures. It's a subscription box company for anglers, which is awesome. Like myself, I've been subscribed since like 2016, so it's been quite some time. Lucky and I enjoy getting the boxes, and she always helps me with the unboxings. All right, let's see what we got here. So this is the bait card. This gives you the lowdown as to what you get. First one is a Chase Baits Wiggle Bomb. I picked up some Chase Baits in Australia. I think this is an Australian company, which is really funny. So this is gonna help us out today. It's a little frog. We're working with some froggy conditions, like really froggy conditions, so I'm gonna tie this on immediately. Then we've got a Lucky John X gear. Where's that? This is the X gear. It's like a little square-bill crankbait. That looks money sauce. Then we've got a Arbogast Hula Popper. Talk about nostalgia. Dude, that is so sick. Apparently, this is the 2.0. It's like the refined, more bassier version of an already legendary bait. So this is a lure that I'm really excited to throw. I've seen pictures of this, but I've actually never had one personally, so I got this in the box. This is childhood fishing. This is one of the first topwater lures I've ever thrown. So to get this in the box is pretty dope. We got that. BioSpun Exo Swim, which comes in a fair bit of the boxes. It's a staple for this time of year. Swim baits, you gotta throw swim baits. I'm digging that. And the last baits we have are, we've got a 10,000 fish Sakoshi bug. This is a great northern bait. Not sure if we're gonna throw it today, but this is an awesome clear water northern bait. It's almost like a Ned rig, but it's less of a worm and more of a bug creature style bait. And then of course we've got the Hard Hats Jigs Deadbolt jig head to go with that, which is nice. MTB sets you up for success. It gives you all the stuff you need for straight up rigging. Like you could literally take this out on the water and catch fish solely with all the lures in this box. You don't need anything else. That's what I love about the boxes. Again, if you want to sign up, use this code right here to save up to $5 on your first box, I believe. So you can get a really good deal for your first sign up session. So do it. Don't even wait on it. Don't even sleep on it. We're gonna get tied up. It's actually been so painful to do that because all I want to do is get out and fish. It's prime time right now. Let's get active and wreck them. All right, let's get active. Oh, there's something right behind it. A little bluegill or something. Or a turtle. It's a turtle. It's funny.
Oh yeah. Very cool.
Some just came up twice over there.
Yeah, I've been seeing some more rides where we saw that blow up.
It's not really like, it's not really hardcore though. It's nothing crazy. Yeah. All right, let's go on the main motor and go fish that shade over there. That still looks really good. Get that fluke ready. If we're gonna catch a fish on topwater, it's gonna be over here. That's better. I'll just pitch this. There we go. That's a fish. About time. About time. Oh yeah, in the boat. Woo! Man, that was getting scary close. I wasn't sure if we were gonna get a fish all day. It's so funny what you guys probably don't see on camera. That being all of the casts without fish. This probably seems like we just doinked one right after launching, but it's been a bit of a grind for about an hour and a half, but we managed to get one on the topwater frog. Nice little largemouth. You're on too.
Nope.
He had it though, didn't he?
Something hit it.
Ooh, there is definitely some fish back here. My first ever fish out of this new lake. I've never been here before. Haven't even really done all that much homework, but it looked good on Google Maps, so we sent it. The scent was successful. Come on, get one. Get one, please.
Man.
I dare you to get one. Oh yeah, you just got waked on. Keep twitching, keep twitching. You're on. Right on.
There we go.
How perfect is that? My first and his first. Money.
All right.
Back he goes. Kick you freaking mule. Sassy mule. I tend to do this. I tend to go way too far back in a creek or a cut and I just get lost. And then I'm back there and I'm like stuck and there's no fish. But I'm just so curious. I was like, that's the best part of fishing is it's like, it's such a curiosity driven sport. It's just, you just want to just see, just see if there's anything back there.
Crappie is what we're going for?
Yeah, there might be bass down there too. I don't really know. Well, when the bite is tough, you can always rely on the crappie to eat. It's a sad day when I tie something this tiny on a big old casting rod. But I was coming out of this cut, which by the way was super unproductive, and I saw some fish on a tree. I'm guessing they're crappie. They could be bass, so we're just gonna drop down vertically and see if we can pop a few up. You haven't caught too many crappie too, have you?
Not really.
This could be fun. I'm gonna give it a chance. They're thick. There's one. Oh yeah, they're eating now. Whoa, dude, look at this one. I don't know what causes it. I'm pretty sure it's fairly natural. It's nothing crazy like, pollution in the water, but sometimes they get this black nose. Again, it's like the first time I've ever seen this today. In person, I've seen it in like books, like growing up, I used to read like about crappie and how to catch them. Really exciting life back in the day. Anyway, I used to hear about it and read about it, but now to witness it is kind of strange. I think it's like a strain of black crappie. Sometimes it happens in white crappie, but that is a very distinct black line, and it stops right at their dorsal fin. And they have a little bit under their chin as well. It's really cool. I like it. Crappie are neat, man. They don't fight super hard, but damn, are they fun to catch. Isn't that weird?
Yeah, that's crazy.
You've never seen that too, right?
Never seen that stripe like that.
Yeah. All right, put them back. See you, Stripey. They kind of look like barramundi, don't they? Their heads, they look like weird-looking barramundi. Anyway, getting off topic here. We're doing good. A few more of these guys, and I'll have the energy to go out deep and do some boring-ass cranking for a big largemouth. I really love crappie. I don't want to leave this spot, but I know you guys want to see big bass, so. Oh, I feel like crappie's on cranks again. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Fish in the West. Today we're catching crappie. I love how, hey guys, we're gonna fish a sick, epic bass lake. It's got tons of pads. Wait, never mind, we're just gonna catch crappie. Tandem rig.
Don't bring it up till you're doubled.
You doubled?
Or doubled, boys.
Oh, dude, it is stacked. You hit the bottom one.
The bite is on.
The bite is on. Whee! There you go, buddy.
Oh.
See you later. Did you get the stripe?
Doink, yep.
What?
Yep.
Damn, you're lucky. I don't even know what's going on anymore. I'm just having so much fun. Look at the graph, though. Just take a look at the graph, and you tell me if there's crappie down here. That was perfect. I was like, are we hung up?
There's so much. I really
Here, pick up that rod, just start fishing.
Hooray! I finally get a chance.
This is so stacked.
Yo.
I'm surprised we have not caught a largemouth yet.
Right. John?
Yep, doubled.
John's
On the way out.
Alex, where you at?
Black nose. Wow. That's a big one. Oh my god, that's a nice one. That's a good one.
What the heck?
He choked it, dude. Oh my gosh. That was on the way down. That jig head is gone. Look at the jig head. How you doing down there, guy? Oh, a little surgery. Oh, got him. Soused. God, bless it. On the way down, dude. On the way down. Woo! Yeet.
That's so sick.
I'm tying on a crankbait because I want to catch a bass. Crappie are fun, you guys get the point. They're all right, they're cool fish, but we came out here to catch big bass, so we're gonna find some deep spots. It's pretty hot right now, water temp is
86, which isn't too bad, but fish don't like the sun and the heat, so we're gonna get down and crank them up with a Googan Squad crankbait. This is the Deep Recon.
Yeah, there you go. Good one. Easy, easy. Take it easy. Take it easy. You're not going anywhere. Take it easy. That looks like a pretty good fish.
I don't know. I don't think so.
That's a pretty good one, dude. You want the net or no?
Yeah. Just go ahead.
Okay. Here, I'll just lip him. That's a good fish. That's a really good fish.
All right.
Chill out. I got him. That's
Nice,
about a 4-pounder. Nice job.
Oh
Woo! Talk about some momentum there, dude.
Linked up with what could be a 4.
Yeah, close.
see.
It's got a head of a 4.
Yeah, for sure.
Got one?
Oh yes.
Good one.
Dude.
That's a good fish. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take it easy.
Gotcha. Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
Nice.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, that's a giant. Oh my God.
Giant, dude.
Oh my God, that's a giant.
Oh wow.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
I got you.
Take it easy. Oh, it's like big.
I know. Hold on a second.
Yep. You good? Just
Yep.
keep tension.
Yep.
Keep tension.
It's a big fish.
I know it is. Is he off? Is he still on? Oh, he's still on. Okay, okay. Well, I thought he
Still
popped.
on.
All right, just kind of cradle him towards me. You're good. You're good. He's almost done. Such a big fish. I'm cracking up, right?
Hey, you're screaming.
All right, bring him here. Bring him here. Bring him here. Okay, here he goes. Congrats. That's a big fish. He's choked it.
I didn't know if your screen was on, so
Oh, it's fine. That's fine.
Wow.
Holy sh!
We're thinking Alex just got his
Where did it
TV
come
over here.
from? Oh my God.
Straight off the bank.
It's been one of those days where everyone in the boat is catching fish, except this guy right here. That is a ginormous fish. Alex is thinking it's probably his biggest bass ever. We're all just trying to fish right now, get on a bite, catch onto something, get some steam going. And he caught a freaking giant on the lunker log. Look at that thing. That is a donkey. That is an absolute donkey. Let's see that Bertha. Oh, yes, sir. That is a stud. Look at the head on that thing.
Wow.
I'm so glad we got the hook out because that's just a gorgeous fish, man.
Dude.
If that was here's the thing, if that was a filled out fish, it'd be probably close to 8. I think it's probably
It's
6 or something like that. Let's
Yeah.
weigh it. You wanna weigh it?
yeah. Let's wait.
All right, let's wait real quick and then put her back.
6 on the nose, pretty much.
Yeah, I'm calling that 6 on the nose. Right on.
Dude.
Put it there.
Let's-
And now for the grand release of the 6-pounder. Wow, we broke a PB today. That's huge. Hear that flare? We're breaking PBs. Here she goes. She's good. She's going. What? What? How does that feel? Do you think you're gonna catch a
Amazing.
6-pounder today?
Oh, holy cow.
Yeah.
That's amazing, man.
I was like, when you set the hook, I'm like, damn, that thing also looks big. What is going on? I'm f***ing fishing alone now. You guys suck. Okay, so in case you guys live under a big old rock, this is the newest addition, one of the newest additions to the Googan Baits lineup, which is the lunker log, which, by the way, is now the record holder for Alex's biggest bass. What color was that? I don't know what color it was, but it's obviously a good worm. I mean, do I even need to talk about it? Kind of speaks for itself, huh? So, there you have it. Everyone is catching big fish right now except this guy. Let's see if I can join the party. You guys got room? That was hectic. Hectic. Oh, hey, how's it going, guys? Little nipple guy here to share with you guys yet another amazing day of Texas fishing. I may have not caught a ton of fish, but these boys cranked and we caught some crappie. Lucky, had fun. We discovered a new lake. It just goes to show you need to go on Google Maps, do some searching, some hunting for some juicy little honey holes like this. We were literally the only people out on this pretty decent lake. My boat's peeing right now. I guess I took on some water. Or maybe I have a hole, I don't know. Surprise is surprise. Anyway, I'm signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's very scorching hot Texas video. I will catch you guys next time. Also, be sure to check out Mystery Tackle Box. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. And be sure to check out Weston's channel too. He's a full-on fishing YouTuber. I'm peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, folks, keep keep fishing. Never stop.